Hey guys, welcome back to Frequently Asked Questions, and in today's video I'm going to be explaining to you how you can cancel your Xbox Game Pass on your PC, basically your web browser. So what you want to be doing, guys, is on your desktop browser or on your mobile browser, what you can do is log into Xbox, okay? And then you want to go ahead to the services and subscriptions page, and you want to sign in with your Microsoft account. Let me open this page up for you guys. So basically, you want to search up login.live.com. You want to sign into Microsoft, and then you want to go into your subscriptions, services and subscriptions section, and you want to go to that section where you have purchased your subscriptions. So you want to find your subscription and you want to select on manage. Okay. And now here, guys, what you can do is you can remove that subscription or just cancel it. You want to just select the cancel button and you want to follow the on-screen instructions, and then go ahead and verify, and then you will be done. And guys, they will not charge you from the next billing period. So until the next billing period, you will get access to use your subscription until that time, because they've already charged you for that. But until that billing period, you'll be using it, and after that, you'll not be charged again. And basically, it has been canceled. So I hope this video helps you out, and if it did, guys, consider smashing that like button as well as subscribing to Frequently Asked Questions, and I'll see you in the next one.